guys, today the make the experiment the squares and meat. I love you. Hi guys, it's me again, Johan. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Johan Wonders. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing my channel. Please stay connected and stay safe. Today, I will show you our experiment. Welcome to Johan's Laboratory. Today, our experiment is about liquid layering and density tower. Are ready? Then let's get started. First, pour the honey into the jar. It is very important to pour the liquids carefully into the jar. Let each layer settle before adding the next one. Take your time and pour slowly and carefully. The next layer is milk. Pour slowly and evenly. Now we will pour this soap. Repeat the same procedure for all the layers. Pour slowly and evenly. If you notice that this soap sank below the milk, next we pour the colored water. Now our next layer is vegetable oil. Then we pour colored baby oil. Our last layer is rubbing alcohol. The science secret here is density. Density is a measure of how much mass is contained in a given unit volume. Heavy liquids sink and lighter ones float. Now we will put things with different densities and see which layer it will settle. Can see that the stone is in the honey, the almond is in the dishwashing soap, the tomato in the milk, and the bottle cap is floating in the alcohol.
A few inches later.
Hi guys, today the make the experiment the squares and meat. I love you. And let's get started. from my experiment today. Don't forget to like and subscribe so that I can make more of my exciting and amazing videos. Thank you. Bye-bye. Bye. Thank you for watching.